Okay, so this is a quick video for how to trace a character. So I have what I'm going to trace here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go into animate. I'm going to paste it. I need to transform it so that it's small enough. There we go. And I'm going to hit Control minus so that I can get to it. There we go. And I'm going to center it, expand it into the size I want it, which is going to be about like that. If it's bigger, it's going to be easier, so I might try something like that. And from there, I need to deselect it, and then I'm going to go to Modify, Group. It turned white. Now it's all set so I can trace on it, and I can go like this, except that I need to make it blue. Sorry, I need to change the color on it. Properties, change it to black, make the stroke size a little bit bigger, and there we go. 1, and then 2, 3, 4. There we go. And now I can go to this tool and start bending. There we go. So that's going to get that part in. And then for the tree, I think I'm going to go in with ovals. And so I'll go here. Now the center, I don't want it to be purple, I want it to be white. So I'm going to go to the fill, and I'm going to make the fill actually null. Okay, I want it to go transparent. Now I can go back up. I know I'm making weird noises. Okay, let's just go with that as being correct. And now I can go inside, select areas, and delete them. And then I can modify it from there. So this is going to be your easiest way for tracing your character. Remember that this is due at the end of, almost there, end of the week. And of course at this point, I will be able to go back when I click off to the side. There we go. Okay, so now I have this. So now I can start to go in and color.